Time to read the story. Hi everyone, and welcome to Learn English Easy and Fast. In this video, we'll be using stories to help you learn English faster and easier. Stories are a powerful way to improve your vocabulary, listening skills, and understanding of how English is used in real life. By following along, you'll pick up new words and phrases naturally, just like a native speaker. They also teach you how to use words and phrases in daily conversations naturally and confidently. Let's jump into the story and start learning English together. A day to remember. Sophie had been working in a small flower shop for 2 years. She loved her job because she enjoyed arranging flowers and creating beautiful bouquets. She woke up at 5 a.m. every morning to prepare fresh arrangements for the customers. One Friday, Sophie's boss, Mr. Andrews, came into the shop with an excited look on his face. "Sophie, we've been invited to participate in the annual city flower arrangement competition tomorrow," he said. "That's amazing," Sophie replied, her eyes lighting up. "What do we need to prepare?" Mr. Andrews explained that they needed to create a floral arrangement that represented their shop. Sophie had an idea. "Why don't we make a bouquet inspired by spring? We can use tulips, daffodils, and cherry blossoms," she suggested. "That sounds perfect," Mr. Andrews agreed. Sophie spent the rest of the day experimenting with different flower combinations. She carefully selected the colors, arranged the flowers, and added small details like ribbons and greenery. By the evening, she had created a beautiful design. She was confident the judges would love it. The next day, Sophie and Mr. Andrews arrived early at the competition. The venue was full of other florists, each setting up their displays. Sophie felt a little nervous, but excited at the same time. When it was time to present their arrangement, Sophie explained the inspiration behind it, and why the flowers represented spring. The judges smiled as they admired the bouquet. After a long wait, the results were announced. And the winner of this year's City Flower Arrangement competition is Sophie and Mr. Andrews from Blooming Dreams Flower Shop, the host declared. Sophie couldn't believe it. She had never won anything before. "This is a day I will never forget," she said with a big smile. Key vocabulary and expressions. Arrangement. A display of items, in this case, flowers, in a particular order. Participate. To take part in something. Bouquet. Collection of flowers arranged together. Greenery. Green leaves or plants used for decoration. Confident. Feeling sure about your abilities. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.